In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Wave accounting. Whether you're a business owner managing your inventory or just organizing your product list, this tutorial aims to take you through the process in a smooth and comprehensive manner. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to head over to the Wave accounting website. Open your preferred internet browser and enter the URL waveapps.com. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the web page, where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. If you have a Google account, there's a convenient option waiting for you. On the login page, select Sign In with Google. By doing so, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use with Wave. This step not only simplifies logging in, but also enhances security with your Google account's protections. Once logged in, you will arrive at your Wave dashboard. Next, it's time to navigate to the Sales and Payments section. This is where all your sales activities are consolidated. From the dashboard, locate and click on Sales and Payments. Now that you're in the right place, look for the tab labeled Products and Services. Clicking on it will bring you to the heart of today's task, the Product Management area. Here you'll see the option to add a product or service. By selecting this, you can begin the detailed process of entering your product information. In the product form that appears, start by typing in the product name. A descriptive yet concise name will make your product entries easily recognizable and manageable. After naming your product, you'll see a space labeled for its description. A well-crafted description is crucial as it provides additional context and details about the product, which can be tremendously beneficial for record-keeping and customer understanding. Next up is entering the price of your product. Be precise here, as this will directly impact your sales transactions and financial records. Once you've entered the price, you'll notice options to categorize the product further. Click on Sell This, and then you'll be prompted to choose the appropriate income account. This ensures that sales of this product are correctly tracked in your accounting records. Similarly, there's also an option to buy this. By selecting this, you can go ahead and choose the corresponding expense account. Doing so will keep your purchase records equally well organized and informative. Finally, if your product is subject to sales tax, this is the time to add it. If necessary, you can input the relevant sales tax percentage or value, ensuring your pricing and customer invoices will be accurate. With all these details in place, the final step is simple. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save. Your new product has now been successfully added to Wave accounting. And that wraps up this tutorial. By following these steps, you should be able to manage and add products efficiently in Wave accounting, making your financial management even more streamlined. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tutorials.